In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Sendwave account 2025, step by step. Open your Sendwave app to begin. If it's your first time, you should land on the welcome screen. Look for the option to sign up and tap it. This will start your account creation flow. You'll first be asked for your full name. Type it exactly as it appears on your official identification. Using your legal name helps prevent issues later when you're sending money or verifying your account details. Next, enter your email address. Make sure it's one you can access, since receipts and important notifications may be sent there. Double check for typos before you continue. Now you'll set your phone number. Tap the flag icon next to the phone field. This opens the list of country codes. You can scroll to find yours or use the search bar to type the country name. For example, if you're in the United States, select that code. Once you've chosen the correct code, enter your mobile number. Ensure you can receive text messages at this number, as a verification code will be sent to it shortly. You'll see a prompt that says, "Where are you sending first?" Tap that and choose the country you plan to send to. This helps personalize your experience and show relevant options for transfers. After that, look for a checkbox. This usually confirms you agree to the terms and privacy policy. Take a moment to review them, then check the box. When everything looks good, tap sign up. Sendwave will send a verification code to the mobile number you provided. Open the text message, then return to the app and enter the code exactly as shown. If the code doesn't arrive right away, wait a moment and confirm your number and country code are correct before requesting a new one. Next, you'll create a PIN. This PIN protects your account and authorizes future actions, so choose something secure that you can remember but that others won't guess. Avoid obvious patterns like repeating digits or your birth year. Tap Create PIN, then re-enter the same PIN to confirm. This ensures there were no typos. Finally, tap Confirm PIN. That's it. Your account will be created and you should see a confirmation on screen. From here, you're ready to explore your new Sendwave account and get comfortable with the layout. Keep your PIN private, and remember that your name, email, and phone number are the key details tied to your profile. Thanks for following along, and you're all set to start using Sendwave confidently.